So I've been working on making a wine rack for my shelves upstairs, and I've settled on this design. I'll make two of these, one for the front, one for the back. They'll fit 7 across. And I've just been lining them up with this guide on the back, finding the marks, make some cuts. 4 shelves worth. 4 of these on each shelf. So 16 of these. Produced a lot of holes. I'm sure I'll do something with those eventually. And I hope this turns out good. You'll see more, I'm sure.